Hey, so if you want to move faster in Google Calendar without clicking around all the menus, keyboard shortcuts can save you a lot of time. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google Calendar keyboard shortcuts step by step. All right, first, open Google Calendar settings and make sure keyboard shortcuts are enabled. Press the question mark key to open the full list of shortcuts anytime. Press the letter C to instantly create a new event without using the mouse. Press the letter T to jump back to today's date instantly. Use the letter D for day view, W for week view, and M for month view. Use the arrow keys to move forward or backward between days or weeks, depending on your view. Press Enter on any selected event to quickly open its details. Use shortcuts to jump into editing mode and update events faster than clicking through menus. Try combining shortcuts daily, like T, C, and D, to build speed and improve workflow. And yeah, that's it. Once you learn these shortcuts, using Google Calendar becomes much faster and way more efficient.